Welcome to the trifecta of Summerlin Key in the fabulous Florida Keys, where luxury waterfront living awaits you. Step inside this magnificent home designed with elegance and comfort, 10-foot ceilings, including an internal elevator from the parking garage up to the second floor. This gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, features state-of-the-art appliances, clean quartz countertops, and a waterfall edge. Every detail speaks of sophistication. Imagine waking up to breathtaking views. This property offers direct access to the pristine waters of the Atlantic and the Gulf. Within minutes, you're on open water. Retreat to your serene master bedroom. There's actually 2 master suites, one on the main floor and one upstairs with 2 guest bedrooms upstairs. Indulge in the luxurious bathrooms with spa-like features, glass enclosed showers, and a freestanding tub. Each bathroom showcases floor-to-ceiling tile work, just beautiful. Outside, your private oasis awaits. This is where the magic happens. Slip into a sparkling pool or heated jacuzzi, or lower the 20,000-pound boat lift where you can head out to the water and enjoy a day in the sunshine. Lush tropical landscaping surrounds the home. Experience the tranquility of Summerlin Key, where every day feels like a vacation, and just 24 miles from the magic of Key West, you can take in art galleries, fine dining, and glorious sunsets. Isn't it time to secure your piece of paradise and start building those priceless memories? Contact me today for your private showing and indulge yourself in this gem.